Hi friends, welcome to Five Mantra. This is Reddy. We are going to discuss about how to develop program logic without using programs, without writing programs. And that is very important, right? When you want to develop a logic development is a simple. It is a practice, okay? And that practice not required any programming language basics, okay? Only it is need exactly what is the problem and how to solve that one and how to divide the total problem into small problems, okay. And only what you have to do is only you have to concentrate on syntax. Once you know the syntax, any program you can do in a fraction of seconds, right? Okay. And this is the scenario what we'll do, and how to do that one, and what are the artifacts are required to develop a logic that we are going to discuss. Main important thing is, once you have a problem, that problem has to be represented in a better way. By that we can analyze well, okay. And what are the tools we have means, here basic tools we have. One is a flow chart, another one is the algorithm. Maybe what is the flow chart and what is the algorithm, maybe it is a new terms, but it is a simple terms, maybe you already worked with that, okay. Once when you want to solve any problems, already you have some picture in your mind, and after that you will get a solution, right? Same way here also, for programming, for programming environment, we have to give a solution. By that we will use the less resources, by that we can get the optimum, okay. Once you got a problem, okay, once you know the problem, then how to analyze the problem, that we are going to discuss. Yeah, algorithm is a one important thing, and this is the step-by-step process, and with the help of that we'll explain the solution in words, okay. How to do this one, that we are going to discuss, okay. Before that, what are the symbols we have, that we have to know, okay. And here if you see that, already I said how many symbols we have. Those are 5 symbols. I need to explain some problem. First of all, I have to start, and once it is completed, I have to end. Okay, that is the first one is a start, and next last one will be the end. And this is the symbol for that. Means it's like a ellipse. Okay, and how to represent that will be represented with the help of base. Here it is for input and output operations, like print and getting data from the user and giving data to the user. For doing that we are using this symbol. It is a very simple, right? And how many symbols we have? 1 and 2 symbols. One is a start and end, another one is the input and output. 2 symbols we have. Next important thing is data flow. One direction, which direction is data is going, that will be explained by this, okay. This is the data flow, okay. Arrow, simple arrow. It is a downwards, data is coming down. If it is upward, data is going upward. Like it is a parallel, it is going. So direction will explain how the data is transmitted from one process to another process, right? How to do the process. When CPU want to do the process, that processing will be done in the using the symbol, okay. This is the rhombus symbol, right? Okay, how many symbols we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever the 5th symbol is, when I want to write a static data, okay, like transferring one day, swapping the data from one variable to another variable, or copying values from one to another, that code will be written with the help of rectangle, okay. How many symbols? Totally 5 symbols. Now we'll discuss how to write a flow chart, that we are going to discuss, right? Now, when you want to do any programming or any application or anything, you want to give a solution with the flow chart. It is a simple way you can explain, okay. You can understand, okay, how to do that one, that we are going to do it, right? Okay, here when you want to write a flow chart, first thing is you have to go with the ellipse, and you have to end with the ellipse. This is the start and end. Next one, when you want to get a data from the user, okay, this is the IO. And when you want to process the data, this is the symbol already we discussed. And when you want to do like some code, okay, static code, it won't do anything, okay, this will be in this symbol. And now I want to flow the data, the data will be like this, okay. First start, okay, next one is, after this it will go next this, sorry, based on decisions it will, so basic, this is the structure we have. Okay, this is the structure what we have, and this is the simple structure. With the help of that, what we'll write a simple program. Now I want to find whether everyone will ask, okay, if you want to do something, what is your age, right? And based on that, they will give you a permission to do something, right? If you are above 18, they will think like you are a major, you can do anything, right? If minor, it is some difficulty, you have some restrictions. How to find this type of thing? Automation I want to do, okay. When you want to do the automation, what you want to get from the user, that is important thing, okay. And once you got that, the data you will process, and after that you will take the decision, right? And first of all, if I came someplace, okay, if I go someplace, they will ask what is your age first, okay. And when they ask the age, I'll give some number. Based on that, they will decide whether should I give the permit or should I not give the permission, okay. Based on that, they will take the decision, right? How this will be taken by computer, this is the important one. That logic we have to send to the computer with the programming languages. Before that, how to do that, that will be explained with the help of this. For example, I'll ask the user age, enter your age, okay. I don't know which age it is, and if he enter what he enter, based on the data, how to decide whether should I permit or not permit. Means if he is a major, I'll do the permission. If he is not a major, I won't give the permission, okay. Now I'll check that one, that is the age is, here I'll write the code, I'll write the condition like age is less than 18, means is the, when it is true, okay, when it is true, okay, this is the only condition we have. When maybe it is a true or maybe it is a false. When it is true, he is nothing but a minor, and when it is false, he is nothing but a major, okay. Now this is the end, and this is the start. Now same thing I want to do, I want to write a programming language. I want to write a program. Select any programming language and we'll write the program. See that. Yeah, we completed this flowchart. Now we're going to write a program in a C++. Okay, when you want to do the C++, okay, here cout, cin are two important objects I have to use to get a data and give the data to the end user. Okay, how to do this one, that one I'll explain. So when you want to write a program in a C++, okay, first of all you have to depend on header files or library files. C and C++ are static library files we have. Now what we are doing is that library files we will include, and after that we'll write a program. And here In a C++, we will write hash include IO stream, because everything is streams only in a C++. IO stream.h. Okay, IO stream.h. This is the important header file. Next, void main is a very important one. Void main, because main have a return type in a C language, that is an integer one, but in a C++ it is a void. Main is not written anything. Okay, and this main function will be invoked by the C operating system. Okay, that concept we will discuss in detail in a C++ class, right? Okay, first of all, what I need is one integer is need, the type is age, and I am initializing this 0. Why? Because C and C++ have no memory management. First, you must initialize with the default values. That is the best practice. Completed. Next, what I want to do is I have to get the data from the user. Okay, when you want to get the data, one important function is cin. Okay, that is whatever data you will give, that will be saved into the age. But one thing, important thing is, okay, without asking anything, how we will enter age? So it is not better practice. We have to give a proper message to the end user. So for that we will use cout is another object we have. Enter age. Okay, and everything must be closed with the semicolon. Enter age. Once seen, age is will be retrieved and it will be saved into the age variable. Once age is available, what I have to do? I have to go with the condition, right? If, once again, same keyword I have to use, that is the age is, okay, less than 18. So when age is less than 18, that is the cout you are minor, right? Directly I can write here also, and but it must be end with the semicolon. Else, and what is that? Cout major, right? This is the major, right? Okay, major, semicolon, over. And after that I must return nothing. Return statement is very, very important in a C++, and I must end with the curly bracket. This is the C++ program. If you see that, if you observe that everything is simply explained. This is the input, we have an input function. This is the IO, and the next one is condition. This is the condition. This is the condition part. Once condition is true, it will do something, okay, and if it is a condition is false, it will do something. That is the else block. And this is branching condition, what we called. Okay, this is implemented with the help of if and else keyword. These are the very important ones, okay, in a C++. In details we will discuss in C++ course. Okay, just follow our channel, then you will get this C++ course also, right? Okay, thank you.